Hi there, it's George here. Today I'm gonna try to grow eucalyptus from seed again. Last year I tried but with no success. I think the seeds were old, stuff like that. And I ordered from eBay this time from Portugal, Lisbon. Yeah, and hope the seeds are fresh. I'm happy that the seeds arrived to me, and I got inspired by one person which lives in Australia, and last year she sent me eucalyptus seeds, but if that seed didn't germinated, I decided to buy seeds and see what will grow, and that's it. And you can see Eucalyptus deoglupta. Maybe I don't pronounce correct, but does no matter. And look at the seeds, they are so small, and I hope you know they will germinate and they are fresh. I have to plant them, and awesome. We will see the germination if these seeds will work for me. And this is a kind of stuff like thank you for buying. As you can see, that's it. Let's just plant the seeds and we will see. I'm gonna put the seeds in this soil. It's a universal soil which I bought, and it's very good, as you can see. But first of all I'm gonna water well, and after that I will preserve the seeds here above. And yeah, let's do that. And water should be at room temperature or a little bit warm. And let's do that. I'm done with this. Now I have to jet the seeds and put on this paper, and let's do that. After that we will put here. And careful, plant the seeds. And now we have to wait for germination, but we have to put a zip bag to keep moist inside. And we'll see in a few days they should germinate. In 2 weeks I think, we will see. My work was finished and now waiting for germination. We will see. As I said, I will update you, so that's it. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. That means a lot to my channel. Greetings from Moldova. If you want, subscribe to my channel, comment, hit that bell, and yeah. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.